Today I'm going to show you how to install our XJ Shackle Relocation Kit. These are the common tools you'll need. I'll put them in the comments. Starting with the driver's side, remove the gas tank filler neck cover. This will give you more room to work and help easily locate the factory spot welds. A Rotabroach cutter is a great tool for drilling out the spot welds. Cutting the corner of the stock shackle box gives access to the other spot welds. Some prying and hammering is needed to get the remaining shackle off from the frame rail. The factory frame rail nut has to be removed for the installation of our shackle box. Pre-installing our shackle box, we use a C-clamp to make sure a tight fit. Using a uni-bit, we open up the holes. In our kit, you are supplied with 2 plates that go on the inside of the trunk. Removing the carpet, you can see where they need to go, and drilling up from beneath the shackle box will ensure alignment holes. Removing the interior trim panel, we use the uni-bit once more. With the supplied hardware kit, you can bolt in the rear shackle hanger along with the rear bumper support. From here we move into the interior and bolt down the inside plate. Now that the install is complete, this is 100 times stronger than the OEM factory bracket. You can choose to run it like this or weld for an extra measure along these lines. The passenger side is a little bit more simple and basically the same process. And that's how you install our XJ Shackle Relocation Kit. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below.